What to do if the toilet can't flush? First, let's check the flushing situation of the toilet. After pressing the flush button, the toilet makes a suction sound, but in reality, no water comes out. This requires checking the toilet's water tank. To check the water tank, we need to first lift the toilet seat lid assembly. Remove the toilet seat lid assembly and check whether there is water inside the water tank. In the current situation, the water tank has no water, which causes the failure to flush. At this moment, we need to check whether our angle valve is functioning properly, whether it is fully open. The water tank has no water, so we need to check whether our angle valve is in the open state. Currently, it is in the closed state. Also, check whether our water supply hose is bent, causing difficulty in water supply. Now it is in the closed state, so we first open it. If the water tank is not filling with water, even though the water supply is normal, we need to check our filter screen. Remove our T-valve. At one end of the T-valve, there is a filter screen. We need to use needle nose pliers to forcefully clamp it open. Clean the holes on the filter screen and reinstall it after cleaning. After reinstalling, check whether our fill valve has resumed water supply. After eliminating all cases of bent hoses and checking the angle valve filter screen, we now open the angle valve. At this point, the water tank should successfully fill with water. The second situation, when we press the flush button, there is no flushing at all. No water comes out, and no suction sound is made. At this moment, we need to lift the toilet seat lid assembly. Now the water tank is full. There is no water shortage, but still no water comes out. At this time, we need to check the water pump connection cable. We find that the water pump connection cable is disconnected, not properly connected. We need to pay attention to the connector, which has a specific direction. Find the alignment of the arrows and insert it properly. Tighten it securely. After checking the water pump connection cable, we try flushing again. If flushing returns to normal, it confirms that the connection cable was not properly connected. If flushing still does not respond, then the water pump is damaged and needs to be replaced. Now the third situation, when we press the flush button, the toilet starts flushing, but runs out of water halfway through. Additionally, there is no water seal, but there is still a suction sound. In this situation, we need to check the water tank, whether the water level only reaches halfway. If the water level only reaches halfway, try tapping the fill valve to see if the water supply can resume. If the water supply does not resume, then our fill valve may be faulty. The fourth situation, when we press the flush button, the side flush water flow does not stop, or there is a lack of side flush water flow, or a lack of bottom flush water flow. In this case, we need to consider the issue with our diverter valve. The diverter valve may be malfunctioning, causing a lack of side flush water, a lack of bottom flush water, or continuous side flush water flow, or continuous bottom flush water flow.